Are you looking for the top 5 best subwoofers for epic sound? When you're on the hunt for the best subwoofers, it can feel overwhelming. Everything looks the same and has similar claims. But to really find what delivers deep, rich sound, you need to look beyond the surface.
Product number 1, TCL S55H Soundbar. The TCL S55H 2.1 soundbar caught my attention right away with its sleek design and impressive features for just $99. If you want immersive audio without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. What makes the soundbar stand out is its 220 watts of power and the wireless subwoofer that delivers deep, resonating bass. It uses Dolby Atmos technology, meaning you can expect a cinematic experience right in your living room. Imagine watching action movies with booming sound that makes you feel every explosion. Plus, it's packed with convenient features like AI Sonic auto room calibration that adjusts the sound based on your room layout. This means you get a tailored audio experience without any extra hassle. Now, some users have mentioned that the bass might not be heavy enough for hardcore audiophiles. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a solid, budget-friendly option that gives you a great sound experience, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. It's perfect for casual movie nights or gaming sessions. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable sound system that's easy to set up. Skip this one if you're a serious audiophile looking for the deepest bass possible.
Product number 2, Zenclee 10-inch car subwoofer. Next up is the Zenclee 2025 upgraded 10-inch slim underseat powered car subwoofer, priced at $93. If you want a subwoofer that packs a punch without taking up your entire trunk, this is definitely worth a serious look. This 1200-watt subwoofer is designed to fit right under your car seat. It's perfect for anyone who wants to enhance their car audio experience without sacrificing space. With a peak power of 1200 watts, you'll feel the bass in your bones every time you hit the road. Plus, it comes with a remote control, allowing you to adjust the bass levels on the go. Super convenient. The built-in amplifier and aluminum casing ensure it stays cool even during long drives, which is crucial for performance. However, some users noted that the sound quality might not be as refined as standalone subwoofers. Here's my take. If you're primarily looking for deep bass on a budget while keeping things compact, you're still getting a solid performance. It's not for those wanting studio quality sound, but great for enhancing your driving experience. This is perfect for you if you want to enjoy powerful bass in your car without sacrificing space. Skip this one if you need top-notch sound.
Product number 3, Polk Audio PSW10. Coming in at $249 is the Polk Audio PSW10 10-inch powered subwoofer. If you're after powerful bass for your home theater without compromising on sound quality, this is worth considering. With a 10-inch dynamic balance woofer and a maximum output of 100 watts, this subwoofer is designed to deliver rich, deep sound. Its PowerPort technology helps enhance the bass response, providing clear audio even at high volumes. If you watch a lot of movies or listen to music, this subwoofer will integrate seamlessly with your existing audio system, enhancing every note and beat. It's also compact enough to fit in smaller spaces, making it ideal for those with limited room. On the flip side, some users mention that the bass can be too overpowering in smaller rooms. But here's the thing, if you're in a medium or larger space, you'll love the immersive sound. Plus, it's easy to set up, making it accessible for everyone. This is perfect for you if you want a powerful yet compact subwoofer for your home. Skip this if you have a very small room.
Product number 4, 7-Tour 10-inch underseat subwoofer. Next is the 7-Tour 10-inch upgrade slim underseat powered car subwoofer, priced at $77.88. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that still delivers decent sound, this is a solid choice. With a peak power of 800 watts and a lightweight design, this subwoofer fits right under your seat, saving space while still delivering a punch. It features an LED light for added flair and comes with a remote control for easy adjustments. The aluminum casing ensures durability and heat dissipation so it can keep up during long drives. It also supports both high and low-level inputs, making it compatible with various audio systems. However, some users reported that the installation can be a bit tricky for those not familiar with car audio systems. Honestly, I think if you put in a little effort, it's worth it for the sound improvement you'll experience. It's a fantastic option for those on a budget who still want to upgrade their car audio. This is perfect for you if you want affordability and decent performance in a compact form.
Product number 5, PreSonus Eris Sub 8BT. Finally, let's talk about the PreSonus Eris Sub 8BT, retailing at $209.99. This is ideal if you're into music production or simply want high-quality sound in your home setup. This 8-inch powered subwoofer delivers studio-quality audio with a surprising amount of power, hitting lows down to 30 Hz. The Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity allows for seamless pairing with your devices, making it versatile for various applications, from music production to gaming. Plus, the front-firing design and tuning controls help customize the sound to fit your room perfectly. You'll appreciate its clarity and depth that can enhance any audio experience. That said, a few users wished for more low-end power for larger spaces. Here's my perspective. It's built for precision and accuracy rather than sheer volume. If you're in a smaller room or a studio setup, you won't be disappointed. This is perfect for you if you want precise audio for music production or high-fidelity listening. Skip this one if you need a heavy-hitting.
To wrap it up, we've covered the TCL S55H for budget-friendly cinema sound, the Zenclases for compact car bass, the Polk Audio PSW10 for powerful home theater performance, the 7-Tour for affordable car audio, and finally, the PreSonus Eris Sub 8BT for studio quality sound. Each has its strengths, so it really depends on what you're looking for in a subwoofer.